My dear son, Dad will be back soon. Mom is sure of it.
What is this? Whose lipstick is this?
How dare you question me?
Where is Mom?
Mom has gone far away. Don't ask anymore.
Oh wow, already a new family.
Hurry up, you useless thing! What is this?
Kitten.
Sorry, I thought this was the number on the poster. Is that really you, Mum? Are you truly my mother?
I finally found you, Mom. Kitten, my son. He pushed me into the cold river.
Pushed me in. Don't worry, Mom. I won't let them escape justice. I promise. Their location has been identified. Let's go. Father Cat, stepmother Cat, you are under arrest for conspiracy to murder and fraud.
No, you will pay the price.
At last, justice.
Let me out! You can't do this to me! I'll get out of here, you hear me?
Mom is safe now. It's all over. I know, my son.